Everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to create this responsive login and sign in and sign up website, or you can also call it as login and registration form using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Now let's go through the website. You can see the image. Then the username is email. You can type text as well as email. The password. Then forgot password button. You can see the hover effect, and you can see the hover effect on the sign in button. And when you click on the sign up button below, you will be taken to the sign up form. You can see the animation effect, the username, email address and password, and you can see the hover effect on the sign up button. And when you can see the hover effect on the social media icons. Then when you click on sign in, you will be taken back to sign in form, and by repeating the process you can move from sign in and as well as sign up form. This entire website is responsive, that is, it is also available in the mobile version. You can see this is the desktop version. You can see the effect. And now let's go to the mobile version. This is the mobile version of the login and registration form, or sign in and sign up form. You can see the effects. Then you can click from sign in to sign up using the buttons, the social media icons, the hovering effect. The source code is available in the description. If you like the content, please do like, share and subscribe. And if you have any suggestions, please do let me know in the comment section. Any project ideas, and you want any latest technologies that you want to learn, or frameworks that you want to learn, you want videos on, and definitely give any suggestions in the description, in the comment section. I will know, and I will try to return comment back to you. The source code is available in the description. Definitely try to build this project. So it is available in, it is entirely responsive website. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to create this responsive login and registration form using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. You can see the website. So you can see the border effect as we try to enter the data, email and password. The password is invisible, and when you click on the I button, you can see the password is visible. And login and forget your password, you can see the hover effect, and you can see the hover effect on the social media icons. And you click on the button to move to the registration button. This is the registration form, and you can see the same password effect, visible effect, as you click on the button on the social media icon. Sorry. Then if you don't mention the date, it will show an error in the email section. This type function. Here, by clicking on create account, you can go to the create. By clicking on login, you can come back to the login form. This website is responsive. It is also available in the mobile version. You can see the mobile version, and you click on the login button. You go to create button to login. Entire website is responsive. The source code is available in the description. If you like the content, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to create this login and registration form using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So you can see the website here. You can see the glass effect around the border of the form, and when you click on the button, you can see the nice color effect and the movement of the letters. And fill out the form, which is in required form in the HTML section. Then sign up. You can see the transition effect, smooth transition effect from sign in to sign up form. Then you can see the button effect also as you hover onto the button. And login. Then we get back to the login form. You can see the smooth transition from sign up. We will go back to the sign up form. The entire source code is available in the description. If you like the content, please do share and subscribe. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to create this responsive login and registration form using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So first we are in the registration form. Here you have to mention your email, and by using the email type, here you can see that if I don't mention at the date, it won't allow me to, it won't consider this as an email. So by using the type as email in the input attribute in the input tag, so we are able to verify whether the given input is the email or not. So definitely try to use the type element in the input sections of the form. Then you can see I've added the I button. You can change, you can, so that you can be able to view the password that you have entered. Then we have re-enter and remember me button, and this is the registration button. And if you forgot your password, you can restart by forgot your password. Then you can go to the login button. This is the login button, so that you can enter your email and login. Here also we are having the password view and remove option. This entire website is responsive, that uh, it can be even it is even available in the mobile version. Let me show you. So this is the desktop version. Now we will see the mobile version. You can see this is the mobile version of the responsive login and registration form. So you can use this website in your professional portfolios, e-commerce websites, so that users can log in into your website and register at the same time. The source code is available in the description. If you like the content, please do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.